Imagine technology so advanced that its secrets are still puzzling experts today. Ancient civilizations built wonders and created technologies that we can barely understand. Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're diving into the lost technologies of the ancient world, marvels that defy modern explanations and showcase the brilliant minds of our ancestors. From mysterious healing techniques to engineering feats that defy gravity, every discovery reveals how much they knew and how much we still have to learn. Join us on this journey through ancient innovations that remain unsolved mysteries. Damascus steel swords from the Middle Ages were famous for their unmatched sharpness and durability. Crafted with a technique that seems lost to time, these swords were stronger than most modern alloys. Experts believe they used a secret blend of materials and heat treatment, but the exact method has never been fully recreated. How did ancient smiths make such formidable weapons, and what lost knowledge was involved? Ancient Egyptians constructed pyramids with astonishing precision, using stones weighing several tons. Some researchers suggest the pyramids could have served as energy sources or power plants. This section explores unconventional theories, including possible uses for energy harnessing and the alignment of the pyramids with stars. Could they have created an early energy network, and if so, how? The durability of Roman concrete is legendary, with structures like the Pantheon and aqueducts still standing. This section delves into how Roman builders mixed volcanic ash with lime to create a water-resistant and incredibly strong material. The exact ratio and method have puzzled scientists trying to reproduce it today. What ingredients and techniques did they use to make this cement so durable? The Voynich Manuscript, the unbreakable code of ancient knowledge. The Voynich Manuscript, an illustrated book written in an unknown language, has baffled linguists and codebreakers for centuries. Believed to be from the 15th century, it contains diagrams of plants, celestial maps, and strange symbols. This section explores theories around its origins, potential knowledge encoded within, and the significance of its undeciphered script. What hidden insights might this mysterious book contain? In Costa Rica, over 300 perfectly round stone spheres were discovered, each weighing up to 15 tons. Made by pre-Columbian civilizations, these stones are astonishingly symmetrical. How ancient people achieved such precision without modern tools remains a mystery. Were these spheres markers, a form of art, or did they hold a deeper purpose connected to ancient knowledge? Legends tell of Tibetan monks moving heavy stones using sound and vibrations. In this section, we'll explore the idea of sound-based levitation, as described in ancient Tibetan texts and supported by some studies. Could they have mastered a technique that allowed them to manipulate objects through resonance, allowing large constructions in seemingly inaccessible places? The Sumerians of Mesopotamia had advanced knowledge of the stars, creating detailed celestial maps. Using only the naked eye, they accurately identified planets and star positions that were confirmed only with modern telescopes. This section examines how the Sumerians achieved such knowledge and speculates about possible tools they may have developed that are lost to history. Electroplating, the process of coating metal objects with a thin layer of another metal, has evidence suggesting it was known in ancient Egypt. Some artifacts show signs of gold plating that could only be achieved with electrical means. We'll look at the theories and evidence that suggest Egyptians may have discovered a way to create and use electricity for decorative arts. Ancient Greece was home to Asclepius temples, where people came to be healed. Known as incubation, patients would sleep in these temples, believing Asclepius, the god of medicine, would visit them in dreams to heal their ailments. This section explores the methods and healing practices used in these temples, including plant-based medicines, meditation, and psychological therapies. Could these holistic approaches have been advanced methods of ancient medicine? Ancient alchemists dedicated their lives to transforming common materials into gold and seeking the elixir of life. Though alchemy is often dismissed as mysticism, many ancient texts suggest a deep understanding of chemical processes. We'll discuss the possible scientific methods hidden within alchemical traditions and the philosophical knowledge that remains relevant today. Was alchemy an ancient science lost to history? In pre-Columbian Mesoamerica, civilizations like the Maya created advanced water filtration systems using materials like volcanic rock to purify water. Archaeologists have discovered remnants of filtration methods that rival modern systems. This section delves into how ancient Mesoamericans ensured access to clean water and the materials they used to filter impurities. Chinese scientist Zhang Heng developed the world's first seismoscope around 132 AD. This bronze device could detect the direction of distant earthquakes. We'll explore how it worked using pendulums and springs, marking an impressive achievement in early scientific innovation. This invention highlights ancient China's advanced understanding of natural forces. The ancient Nazca people of Peru created aqueduct systems called puquios to irrigate their desert land. Built with underground channels and spiral openings, these aqueducts continue to work today, supplying water to local communities. How did the Nazca develop these complex hydraulic systems without metal tools, and how did they ensure a sustainable water supply? According to Norse sagas, Vikings used a mysterious sunstone to navigate on cloudy days, possibly by detecting sunlight polarization. This section will look at the discovery of Iceland's spar crystals and how these stones might have helped Vikings maintain their course on open waters. How did ancient explorers use natural elements for advanced navigation? Ancient Indian texts describe a type of temperature-sensitive device that used bimetallic strips. When heated, metals expand at different rates, creating movement, an early concept behind thermometers. We'll explore the ancient understanding of heat and metal properties, showing how ancient scientists may have measured temperature long before the modern thermometer. The Great Zimbabwe ruins, with walls standing up to 11 meters, were constructed entirely without mortar. Built by the Shona people in the 11th century, these walls showcase advanced stone masonry. We'll discuss the architectural skill required to fit stones so precisely that they've lasted nearly a millennium. How did they achieve such stability and precision? The Etruscans of ancient Italy had an advanced understanding of metallurgy, evident in their mining and refining of copper. Excavations have revealed smelting techniques that allowed them to produce high-quality metal, essential for tools and trade. This section delves into the extraction methods they used and how this knowledge contributed to their civilization's prosperity. Thank you for exploring these lost technologies with us. The ingenuity of ancient civilizations continues to inspire and astonish us, revealing how much we still have to learn from the past. If you found these mysteries fascinating, please like, subscribe to Sam Official Tech, and share which lost technology amazed you the most in the comments below. Stay tuned as we uncover more wonders from history.